Why I should not have bought a camera. Let's get started. Do you need an expensive camera, or will an iPhone do the job? If you are starting out in a YouTube journey, I know it is very hard. You might be looking to buy a camera, you might be looking to buy a microphone, a lighting setup, and expensive gear. When I bought this one, it comes with 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens. So fundamental on camera lenses, which is the lower the f-stop number, the better it is. That means the more light comes through. Picture quality is kind of a grainy, you need to push more light in. So that means what you need is more light, so you're gonna go invest in a light next, and still the quality is not going to be better. I tried it again, this is my personal experience. And then what you need now is you need to buy a better lens. As you can see, you're adding more and more and more. So instead of that, I got an iPhone 13 Pro Max and I got a Mac as well. So what I'm doing is I'm technically shooting with my iPhone as a webcam, and by using these two setup, what I'm achieving is center staging. So now if I go that, it automatically you can see it zooms in and it pushes me out. If I go out, it puts me back in a stage. If I go this side, and again the camera zooms in again. If I come this side, and again there's nobody, so it's all camera doing it. OBS is recording at the same time. This is the best part of using your own thing, what you already have. My recommendation to you is use what you have. If you have an iPhone, use that. If you have an Android, use that. You'll get a better quality than spending over $1,000 for a camera, plus you need to invest more money in the lens. If you like this type of video, guys, sub to the channel would be awesome, and share with your friends and family members who definitely are thinking to buy a camera or wants to invest in a camera. And this is Beginnerbest signing out. Peace.